Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig and Suzy sheep saying goodbye. Let's start. Draw Suzy sheep. Drew her eyes. Then the shape of her head. Draw her nose. Draw her sad mouth, her cheek. Then draw a crown on top of her head. Now we draw her body. She's holding her arms like this. In this hand, she's holding a letter. She just received this. Her family are about to move to another place. Peppa Pig is the best friend. So saying goodbye is not easy. Now let's draw Peppa. Draw her eyes. Then I draw her nose and the shape of her head. Draw her mouth. She's crying. And her 2 ears. Now let's draw her body. Draw her arms like this. She's holding her hand, and oh, that is very sad. However, end turns out her and her family aren't moving, but the girls don't know it yet. Thank goodness, they can still be friends forever. Let's color now. Crown is yellow. And red. Pink for her cheek and nose. Fuchsia for her dress. Pink. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Pink for skin. Purple. Red for dress. Tears are light blue. Finally, I add a little green to the floor. And some yellow in the background. Great job, my little artists! You are doing amazing! I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.